Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your own nachos at home, full guide. Begin by gathering sturdy tortilla chips, 2 cheeses, cooked protein, and fresh toppings. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F or warm a skillet over medium heat. Arrange chips in a single layer, sprinkle cheese in batches for even melt, and add cooked meat or beans. Finish with fresh salsa, sliced jalapenos, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Choose cheeses that melt well, such as cheddar and Monterey Jack, and combine them for flavor and stretch. Shred cheese finely so it melts quickly and layer it throughout the chip bed, adding cheese after every 2 or 3 chips. This prevents dry spots and creates gooey strands between chips. Keep a little extra cheese to add on top just before the final melt for a glossy, restaurant-style finish that holds toppings well. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker so you can play cooking playlists, set timers, or ask for recipe steps hands-free while you prep nachos. I love using it to cue the oven and stream upbeat music during cook time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare cooked proteins and warm toppings separately so everything finishes at the right time. Spread cooked ground beef, shredded chicken, or seasoned black beans over the layered chips and cheese before the final melt. After baking, top with fresh pico de gallo, a dollop of sour cream, sliced avocado, and chopped cilantro to add freshness and creaminess. For heat, choose toasted jalapenos or pickled peppers to control spice without overpowering the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.